Hey guys, Rosita here and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, well, welcome. I have spent 20 years in education and 15 of those years have been spent on running my own tutoring business. And now I am here to help other educators like you grow your business or businesses. Okay, we have been talking a lot about data in these videos, and we're going to continue that conversation. So in the last video, we talked about having a data infrastructure and how it can help us. We are going to extend that conversation. And as educators and business owners, we need to realize that we need to learn how to use data effectively to grow our businesses. Now, if you're thinking data infrastructure, holy smokes, I mean, isn't that something for like the big corporations? No, nope. It's for everyone. It's for everyone, including small businesses. So stick with me. All right. We're going to break it down, and I'm going to show you how having the right tools in place can help you run your business smarter and more efficiently. So let's get into it. So let's start with the basics. Why is data infrastructure important for an education business? Well, whether you're running a one-on-one session or managing a team of tutors, you're collecting data every single day. So things like student progress, schedule, payments, feedback from parents, the district, or just stakeholders in general, all of this data can help you make better business decisions. I cannot speak right now, but only if it is organized properly. And that's where data infrastructure comes in. It's like setting up the foundation of a house. Once it's strong and stable, you can build anything on top of it. But without the right structure, it's hard, to say the least. Telling you from mistakes, my early mistakes. All right, so let's break down what exactly is a database. All right, let's think of it like this. A database is simply a structured collection of data. Even something as simple as an Excel spreadsheet can be thought of a basic database. But as your business grows, you will need something more powerful to handle everything. And there are two types of databases most companies, big or small, end up needing. A transactional database. This is the system that keeps track of your day-to-day operations. So for an example, when a student books a session or when you track their payments, you need this data quickly and efficiently to run your business. And two, analytic databases. This is where you store larger sets of historical data. Things like how students have progressed over the years, which subjects have been in highest demand, or which tutors are getting the best feedback. Analytic databases help you look at the bigger picture and make strategic decisions. Now, this gets interesting and useful for us educators. Have you ever wished you could, you could have all your data in one place, easily accessible? So you can run reports and really see how your business is doing? Yay, reports. Well, that's what a data warehouse is for. And this is what we talked about in the last video. So a data warehouse collects data from different sources, like your CRM, your payment system, student records, and stores it into one place so you can analyze it all together. This helps you make better business decisions because you have a comprehensive view of everything happening in your education business. So for an example, let's say that you own a tutoring business. Let's say that you want to know which of your services has grown the most over the past year. Instead of looking at separate spreadsheets for each month, your data warehouse can pull all the information together and show you the trends. Maybe math tutoring is booming, but your SAT prep may need more attention. Having this insight helps you focus your efforts on the right areas. Now, as your business grows, you might start hearing about big data tools like Hadoop or Spark. Hadoop is so fun to say. Sorry. These tools are used to manage huge amounts of data. And while they may not be necessary for a small tutoring business right away, they're worth knowing about as you scale. Big data tools allows you to store and process large amounts of data across many computers. This means if your business ever grows to the point where you're collecting data on hundreds or even thousands of students, tools like Hadoop or Spark will help you manage and analyze it all quickly. But don't worry, guys. For now, you can start with simpler tools like Google Sheets. I use Notion and Google Data, CRM systems, or even specialized tutoring management software. And as you grow, you'll know when it's time to level up to a more advanced data system. Now, one of the most exciting advancements in data management today is cloud data warehousing. This means your data is stored in the cloud. No need for expensive servers or hardware. Don't you love the cloud? It's accessible anywhere, anytime, and you don't need an IT team to manage it. So I use Google BigQuery, but there are other companies like Snowflake is one of them. Amazon Redshift is another one. They all offer cloud data warehousing solutions that are scalable, affordable, and incredibly powerful. You pay for what you use, so it grows with your business. And since it's based in the cloud, it integrates easily with tools you probably already use, like Google Sheets or data visualization platforms like Tableau. Having a cloud data warehouse can help you organize all your data, whether it be your tutoring data, your business data. You'll be able to analyze it in real time and help you make decisions faster. Imagine having instant access to which students are making the most progress, or knowing exactly when to offer new services based on demand. Cloud data warehousing makes this possible. Now, before you dive into setting up any of these systems, it's important to ask the right questions. What kind of data do you need to run your business better? What problems are you trying to solve? And how will you organize and how will organizing your data help you make faster, smarter decisions? These are questions we should consider before investing in any data infrastructure. So start small, focus on what's most important for your business, and then grow from there. Remember, the goal is to work smarter, not harder. And we don't want to break the bank either. Now, I hope that this has given you a clearer picture of how data infrastructure can help you as not just an educator, but also a business owner. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips on growing your business with technology. And as always, keep teaching, keep learning, and keep growing your business. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See you soon.